want to go over 3 highly rated tool sets with you and kind of explain the difference. And let me just go ahead and say from the beginning, these are not like top of the line, greatest tool sets you'll ever have in your life and last forever kind of tool sets. At the same time, they're not terrible and they're quite handy. Now, 2 on the outsides are made by a company called DEKO, D-E-C-O. The one in the middle is made by Cartman. This one is the DEKO 126 piece set. This one is the Cartman 148 piece set. This is the DEKO 158 piece set. Starting over here, the main advantage of this one is it does come with this battery drill. Now this thing is rechargeable with a USB cable that it comes with. Got a little hammer, adjustable wrench, a little razor, tape measure, screwdrivers, pliers, Allen wrenches, drill bits, things like that. In my mind, this drill, using it, this is not like, hey, I want to build a back deck, okay? This is like want to assemble something, and instead of turning a screwdriver, I can use this little handy drill. I mean, it does work, okay? It's just not gonna be like super powerful, and then you recharge it with this USB cable. I like the cases the DEKOs come in just a little bit better, a little bit heavier duty plastic in my opinion. Cartman has some basic stuff, full-size hammer where this one has a little short hammer. Screwdrivers, again, decent quality, nothing unbelievable. Needle nose pliers, wrenches, all these bits, Allen wrenches, a little screwdriver, a little tape measure. And the DEKO 158 is my favorite. Now it doesn't come with the power drill. Again, the biggest difference in this one's the power drill. But as far as what else comes with it other than the power drill, I prefer this one. There's something to be said for having all these sockets, standard and metric sizes, and having them organized, and having wrenches, tape measure, Allen wrenches, little bitty screwdrivers that are handy when you really need one, adjustable wrench, pliers, Allen wrenches, a full-size hammer there, and all these different bits, and a nice socket set. So again, it really just depends on what you're looking for. I prefer this one because I have another drill I would use, but if you want the drill, then you go with this one. If you want just the most basic set, then you might go with this one. But handy to have around the house, in the back of a car, out in a workshop, just for light duty use. Okay, there are a lot of basic tools neatly organized. Hope the video's been helpful explaining the differences.